Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different and I'm going to be showing you how I store all my stickers. Okay, so I'm going to start with my box here. This is just one of those photo picture boxes I picked up from Michael's, and I use this to store all of my stickers. So now what I have is I have all these dividers. Let me show you them. These are dividers that we sell in my shop, but the ones that you would get would have laminated tabs on there so that they are more sturdy. And then I have put on them our tab labels, so that is available in the shop as well. I will link both things down below, but basically they are little dividers that allow me to organize my stickers into different categories. So I do have a few stickers here in the front. They are ones that I use all the time, so I'm always pulling them out for spreads. These are Squidge mix sheets that I have had as printables, and the reason why I have them in the front is because they go with so many categories. I was kind of trying to see which ones I use the most from the printables, and then I was going to make full sheets of them for myself. So I have them in the front just to make sure that I remember to pull them out. I also have a lot of my work script stickers. I have some weekend banners. And then I have extenders, which I should put away. And then I use these 5-star ratings in my dinner and a movie nights every week. So I keep those always in the front. I have a few tabs that I do not have titles for because I've kind of added a few titles than what comes in the tab labels that we sell in the shop, so I need to print those, which I know I'm going to do eventually. But my first section is like activities, so I have like playing games, video games, puzzles, that kind of thing. I have one for beauty or appointments. I have one for baking, and then beauty, birthday, camping, Canada Day, Christmas, cleaning, coffee, and they just kind of go in alphabetical order. At the very back, I do have deco sheets and then trackers. I don't really use many of them anymore, but I do have them in case, you know, my planning style always changes, so I have that. So all of my stickers are organized into the different categories, and it just allows me to pull them out super easy when I'm pulling stickers. Now at the back of those dividers, I have 2 reusable sticker books. These are sticker books that I used to sell in the shop, and I no longer have them, but I wanted to go through them because there is more sticker storage in here. So I do have my tab labels at the top for all the different categories. These are our old style. I've reused them for a while, and basically if there are stickers left over from a sampler or my leftovers, or if I didn't use a sticker sheet in a spread, a sticker in a spread, but I pulled it for a week, then I will put it back in here. So this is very, very downsized to what I had recently, and that's because I just went through it and took out all the stickers that I know I'm never going to use. Like, there is just some things I'm just like, you know what, I'm never going to use that. So I took a bunch out and really, really decluttered this, but this is in the back there so I can pull from it. And then this reusable sticker book is where I pull my stickers for spreads. So I just have dates on the side, and then before I go to film a spread, I pull all the stickers first, so it's just easier just for filming, but also it allows me to see which size boxes I'm gonna need for my spreads, because often I'll be like, how many boxes am I gonna need? I can kind of count them, I can kind of see how big the sticker is, and that's easier way to kind of plan out my spreads. And then what I do is those little washi strips at the top of the first page of the kit, I just use it on there to mark which kit is the kit that I pulled the stickers from. So you'll see them up there. So that's what I do with those 2 reusable sticker books. And then behind there, I have these 2 sticker books from Simply Gilded. These I got in her subscription box a long time ago, and this is where I keep my prairie palettes. So we used to have a new color out every single week. Now we offer prairie palettes that match the kit specifically, but I do pull from these stickers quite a bit, so I have them as an option in here. I have 1 to 24 in here, and then I have 25 to 50 in this wood. So yeah, there's just more stickers in here, and then having them at the back of the box allows the box to kind of stay up because I don't have that many stickers in the box, and so it just allows me to have room for it. Now that box sits on my planner cart, and then also this binder. This binder is for kits. So I have these page protectors in this binder, and then I have our kit labels, which I'll also link down below to organize the different sheets and the kits that I'm going to use for each spread. So for example, Fall Fairground is going to be on September 23rd to the 29th. I have my October monthly. Here's the winery kit and the UFO. And it just allows me to put any foil that's going in there, the tall boxes that I use. And I do, if I have, like, for example, let me just go to it. I have an empty spot here because I know what sticker kit I'm going to use. I just kind of put a little flag on it saying that this is going to be Seaside Serenity. So if I was waiting for like a kit to be printed, or if you're waiting for a kit to come in the mail, you can just kind of set them aside and you'll have a space in there. And then as soon as a kit is completely done, then I take the sticker off because they're removable matte. They're easy to come off, and then I can reuse the page again. So that is how I store all of my sticker kits and my monthly kits, and just kind of organize them by the date that I'm going to use them. So this is my sticker kit binder. Okay, the last thing I want to show you guys is this is one of those 31 bags. It's got like handles or whatever, but what I use this for is this is where I keep my current planner, like my to-do planner, and the stuff that I'm going to do every single day goes in here. So I'm going to kind of take things out, but you can kind of see how it's set up. I've got my dot pens, my mild liners, a ruler. This pencil case here has a bunch of just black pens and a smaller ruler and like whiteout and stuff like that. And then here is my bullet journal that I'm using. Here is a notebook, which is from Simply Gilded, and I just use it to write in all of the things that I do each day. Sorry if you guys can hear my kids jumping around. They're playing upstairs. But this is going to be the next thing that I'm going to show you guys. So this is the last piece in my sticker storage, and this is another album from Simply Gilded. It's just a lot bigger than the ones that I had already shown you. And this goes into that bag that I was showing you. That bag carries all the stuff that I would use every day, and then it allows me to have it up in my office, bring it upstairs, bring it to the couch, all the different areas. It just gives it all in one spot. So in here, usually on the front page is the like journaling kit and deco and stuff that I am using currently in my planner. Then I have like some date circles and some work stickers, some canceled, some sports, some days of the week, monthly scripts, some weather, stuff like that. Anything that I would use in my everyday journal is in here, as well as my reading journal. So I have all of that stuff just in here so that when I am doing my bullet journal and my reading journal, that I have a spot to put, or I can just quickly pull from that. I don't have to have my full sticker box with me everywhere. These are just like the ones that I use all the time. And if there's like a sheet, for example, this Disney TV sticker sheet, we don't sell this anymore, and I'm trying to use it up, so I will put it in here to use it in my bullet journal, so kind of use up the stickers and make sure that I remember to use it. So yeah, that is my sticker storage. It's pretty simple because I'm able to pull a lot of stickers from my own shop, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.